So President Trump just announced the Iranian Navy is at the bottom of the ocean. The Air Force is gone. We won faster than anyone expected. And it seems like the US is ready to pick up and end this war. But I'm telling you, we're walking into a deadly trap. The US celebrating the total destruction of Iran's military and infrastructure. But in the Middle East, a wounded bear is more dangerous than a dead one. You don't kill a regime with a Tomahawk missile and that's it. You need to do it in the street level. You need to go and make a revolution in Iranian regime. The Ayatollahs don't stay in power because of their jets or missiles. They stay in power because of the Basij, which is the neighborhood militias. They will kill anyone at any moment, any neighbor. They're just in the streets of Tehran with their Kalashnikovs, not with a drone or missile. And they will do anything to stay in position and power. We are now living a loaded gun in the hand of a dangerous and murderous regime. The new Ayatollah will now try to show his power, to show how strong he is. And we're handing the keys back to the people who wants to see this world burn on fire. And before they want to burn this world on fire, they want death to America and death to Israel. And I'm just listening to what they said over the many years, 20, 30 years. And as long as this regime is breathing, they don't build schools or high education. They will rebuild the terror nest. They will rebuild everything we just broke. If it's Hezbollah or the Houthis, they will rearm them with long-range missiles and drones that we will here feel in Israel. But I know that maybe you guys over there in America or Europe thinking to yourself, we're sitting in our living room in Dallas or New York and we're looking at the map and we're 6,000 miles away. Why should I bother so far away? It isn't my war. It should not be my tax dollars or my sons that been sent there. So let me tell you exactly why I think it's actually your war as much as it's my war as an Israeli. When this extreme regime is in power, your security at home is actually unstable. When the Houthis launch a drone on a ship or a tanker in the Red Sea, the price of your milk and groceries in Ohio, in San Francisco, will spike up by the following day. That isn't the Middle East problem. That's your grocery bill. And that's not all. Think about the Iranian agent that recently hired somebody or arranged an assassination on your leader. This is a terror nest at your background. And in addition to hitting your life and your leaders, think about the Iranian cyber. They are inside the network of the US banks, the airports. They are laying the digital dynamite to shut down your city at the moment they feel concerned. So basically, I see it in this way. We have two choices. We can finish the job now, or we can wait until the nest gets too big and it spills over into your streets and your backyard. It's about making sure that the fires stay away 6,000 miles away from you. I'm really thinking it's not only about me and you in Europe, in America, it's about the people of Iran who deserve a better life. And I will end with a smart saying that Dr. Kedar, which I very much admire, had said, and he was warning. And he said, don't just kill the mosquitoes. You have to dry out the swamp. You have to disarm this regime and finish this war instead of financing the next war if we stop right now. So Washington wants a fast exit. I want a better and safe future, not half victory. I want a full victory. It's time to finish this job.